John. Have you ever noticed how nervous people get when ordering food in English?
Oh, absolutely. Especially when the waiter comes too fast and you're still trying to read the menu. Laughs.
Yes, I think we've all been there. But today, we'll help our listeners sound confident in any restaurant.
Great idea, Mariam. So let's imagine we've just arrived at a nice restaurant for dinner.
Perfect. Good evening. Table for two, please. That's how you start politely.
Right, and the host might say, of course, do you have a reservation?
If you don't, just say, no, we don't, but is there a table available?
Exactly. Always sound calm and polite. Tone is everything in customer service English.
And once you're seated, the waiter might say, here are your menus.
Then you can reply, thank you so much, or thanks, we'll need a few minutes.
Yes, never rush. Take your time to read the menu.
Smiles. And if you can't decide, you can always ask, what do you recommend?
That's one of my favorite questions. It makes you sound friendly and open.
Plus, the waiter feels appreciated when you ask for their opinion.
True. And if you're not sure about a dish, you can say, could you tell me what's in this?
Perfect English, clear, polite, and natural.
See? Eating out in English doesn't have to be scary at all.
Not when you've got the English echo by your side.
Exactly. Let's order something delicious next.
So, John, we're sitting comfortably now. The waiter's coming over. What's the first thing they usually ask?
Usually it's, can I get you something to drink? Or would you like to start with a drink?
Right. And we can answer politely, yes, I'll have a glass of water, please. Or just coffee for me, thanks.
Some people say, I'm fine for now, thank you, if they don't want anything right away.
Exactly. It's always nice to add that little thank you. It sounds friendly and respectful.
Totally. And when you're ready for food, the waiter might ask, are you ready to order?
If not, you can say, could we have a few more minutes, please?
That's such a polite way to buy time. No stress, no pressure.
Giggles. Yes. And when you are ready, start with something simple like, we'd like to start with the tomato soup.
Or could we have the Caesar salad to share? That's another natural phrase.
Sharing food always makes the meal more fun. Smiles.
True, and if you're not sure how to pronounce a dish, don't panic. You can ask, how do you say this?
Yes, it's totally okay. Even native speakers do that sometimes. Laughs.
And if you have dietary restrictions, you can politely say, I'm allergic to nuts, or is this vegetarian?
That's important. Communication keeps your meal safe and comfortable.
And remember to use phrases like, could I have, instead of I want. It sounds much more polite.
Absolutely. Politeness is the secret ingredient in every good restaurant conversation. Smiles.
Well said, Mariam.
Thank you, John. Now that we've ordered drinks and starters, I think it's time for the main course.
I'm getting hungry already. Laughs.
All right, John. Our drinks and starters are on the way. Now it's time for the main course.
Yes, the best part of every meal. Smiles. So, how do you start your order politely?
I'd say, could I please have the grilled chicken with mashed potatoes?
Nice. That sounds polite and clear. I might say, I'll go for the pasta Alfredo, please.
Oh, I'll go for. That's such a natural phrase. It sounds confident, but still friendly.
Exactly. And if you're not sure about something, you can ask, what do you recommend?
That's a great question for new restaurants. It shows you're open to trying something new.
Right. And sometimes waiters reply, the steak is very popular, or our seafood pasta is a house favorite.
And if you don't eat meat, you can say, do you have any vegetarian options?
Or is there something without garlic or onions? Very useful for people with preferences.
True. And for side dishes, we can say, can I have fries instead of rice?
Yes, that's how you make a change politely. Instead of is the key phrase.
Another one I love is, can I add a side salad, please?
Good one. Adding please just makes every request sound nicer.
Smiles. And if something's spicy, you can ask,
Is it very spicy? Before ordering.
Great point. You can even say, "Can you make it a little less spicy, please?"
That's perfect. You sound polite, calm, and confident all at once.
Exactly what we want our learners to sound like. Laughs.
Giggles. So, John, what's your final order today?
I'll have the steak. Medium, please.
Ooh, fancy choice. I'll go for the grilled salmon, please.
Excellent. Our listeners just learned how to order like pros.
Yes. Up next, how to ask for dessert and the bill. Stay tuned.
That meal was delicious, wasn't it, John?
Absolutely. The steak was perfect. How was your salmon?
So fresh and tasty. Now I'm thinking about dessert.
Same here. You know, ordering dessert is a great chance to practice polite English.
Totally. You can say, "Could we see the dessert menu, please?"
Or, do you have any desserts today? That's another nice way to ask.
Yes. And if you want to recommend something to a friend, you can say, "You should try the chocolate cake. It's amazing."
I definitely try that. Or I could say, I'm in the mood for something sweet.
Great phrase. "I'm in the mood for" is so natural.
Exactly. And when the waiter brings dessert, you can say, thank you so much. It looks delicious.
Manners always make a difference, right?
They really do. And after dessert comes the tricky part, asking for the bill.
Laughs. Yes, the moment of truth. You can say, "Could we have the bill, please?"
Or in the US, people often say, can I get the check, please?
Oh, yes. Bill is more common in the UK, and check is used in the US.
That's right. And if you want to pay separately, you can say, can we split the bill?
That's a really useful phrase, especially when you're out with friends.
Exactly. And if you're treating someone, you can say, this one's on me.
Smiling sweetly, that's my favorite phrase. "This one's on me" means I'm paying for it.
Careful, I might take advantage of that next time, Mariam.
Giggles. Not so fast, John. Maybe next time you can pay.
Fair enough. So what's next, Mariam?
Up next, we'll talk about small talk at the table, how to sound friendly while eating out.
Perfect. Stay tuned, everyone, and don't forget to smile when you speak.
So, John, when you're at a restaurant, do you usually talk a lot or just focus on eating?
Depends on how hungry I am. If the food's good, I get quiet.
Oh, so if you're silent, that means you love it.
Exactly. And small talk is easier when you're not starving.
True. Small talk is really useful. It makes meals more comfortable.
Yes, you can start with simple topics like, how's your food? Or do you come here often?
That's a good one. And you can also say, "This place has a nice atmosphere, doesn't it?"
Very natural. Or if you want a compliment, the service here is great.
Nodding. Polite comments make you sound friendly and confident.
Exactly. And it helps avoid awkward silence.
Oh, yes. No one likes that weird, quiet moment at the table.
Another great tip. Ask about the person's favorite food.
Like, "What's your favorite dish here?" Or, "Do you prefer sweet or spicy food?"
Nice. These questions keep the conversation light and positive.
And never talk about money or politics while eating.
Oh yes, that's the golden rule. Keep it cheerful, not stressful.
You can also share experiences, like, "I tried Italian food last weekend. It was amazing."
That's right. Food stories are always fun.
Exactly. Meals are not just about eating, they're about connecting.
Well said, Mariam. Good food, good talk, good company.
That's the perfect recipe for a happy dinner. So, John, when the waiter comes to take your drink order, what do you usually say?
I usually start with a smile and say, "Hi, could I get a glass of water, please?"
Nodding. That "please" is so important. Makes you sound polite right away.
Exactly. And you can also say, "I'd like a coffee, please," or "Could I have an orange juice?"
Yes. And if you're not sure what to order, you can ask, "What do you recommend?"
That's a great question. It shows interest and respect for the waiter's opinion.
Smiling. And sometimes they really know the best thing on the menu.
True. Also, if you want your drink without ice, say, no ice, please.
Or if you like it hot, make it extra hot, please.
I say that all the time with coffee. I hate lukewarm coffee.
Giggles, me too. And it's nice to say thank you every time they serve something.
Absolutely. A simple thanks can make their day.
You know, being polite in a restaurant shows good manners and confidence too.
Right. Politeness makes communication smoother everywhere, not just at restaurants.
That's so true. And remember, tone matters as much as words.
Yes, smile, keep your voice gentle, and sound friendly, not demanding.
Like, could I have some more water, please? Instead of, hey, more water. Laughs.
Yeah, one sounds kind, the other sounds bossy.
Smiling, exactly. Politeness never goes out of style.
You said it, Mariam. A kind tone is the best table accessory.
Laugh softly. I love that line, John. I'm totally using it in my next dinner vlog. Oh, here comes our food. It smells amazing.
Wow, that looks delicious. The presentation is perfect.
Totally. Look at those colors. It's like art on a plate.
Laughs. Yeah, almost too pretty to eat. Almost.
Giggles. I know, right? Okay, I'm digging in.
Wait, let me take a photo first.
Giggles. Typical John. You always take pictures before eating.
Of course. Food first, phone second, right?
Teasing. You mean phone first, food later.
Guilty. Okay, go ahead now. How's yours?
Takes a bite. Oh, wow. This pasta is so creamy and fresh.
That's a good sign. Mine's great too. The steak is tender and juicy.
You should say that to the waiter later. They love hearing compliments.
True. I'll say, everything was perfect, thank you. Simple and sincere.
Exactly. Or you can say, that was really delicious. Compliments to the chef.
I like that. Makes you sound classy.
Giggles. Maybe I should try that next time instead of just yum.
Well, yum is honest too.
That's true. And you can always add a smile. That says it all.
You know, good food plus good company, that's the best combo ever.
Couldn't agree more, John. Smiling warmly. So, John, how's your week been so far?
Not bad. Just the usual. Meetings, deadlines, and too much coffee.
Sounds like every week. You seriously need a vacation.
Tell me about it. Maybe I'll just fly to the UK and crash your tea party.
Giggles. You'd love it. We have tea, biscuits, and gossip. The perfect combo.
Smiles. Tempting. What about you? How's everything at work?
Busy, but good. I've been training some new interns lately.
Oh, that's fun. How are they doing?
Pretty well, actually. A little nervous at first, but they're learning fast.
That's great. You've got that calm teacher vibe. People feel comfortable around you.
Smiling. Thank you. I try my best. What about you? Still teaching those evening classes?
Yep. My students are amazing. We were practicing restaurant vocabulary last night, actually.
Laughs. Really? What a coincidence. So now you're getting real-life practice.
Exactly. Could I get some water, please? How's your meal? The bill, please. Imitates politely.
You sound like a waiter now, not a teacher.
Hey, versatility is my strength. Maybe next episode I'll be the chef.
Chef John, I can already picture that.
Only if you're my food critic, Mariam.
Deal. But fair warning, I'm honest with my reviews.
Smiling. That's what I like. Honesty, humor, and a full plate of good food.
And don't forget dessert. Laughs. Okay, John, it's time for the most important decision of the night. Dessert.
Oh yes, the real reason we came here. What are you thinking?
The chocolate lava cake looks divine, but the cheesecake is calling my name.
That's a tough call. I might go for the tiramisu. It sounds fancy enough to impress you.
Good choice. Tiramisu always sounds elegant, no matter how you say it.
Tiramisu. Did I get it right?
Close enough, Chef John. You're officially international now.
Thank you, thank you. I'll be signing autographs later.
Excuse me, could we please have one chocolate lava cake and one tiramisu?
Of course. Would you like any coffee or tea with that?
Oh, yes, I'd love a cappuccino, please.
Make that too. Dessert without coffee is like a movie without popcorn.
So true. You really are a food philosopher.
I take food very seriously, Mariam, especially when it involves chocolate.
Same here. Oh, look, here comes our dessert. Wow, it looks amazing.
That presentation, though, 10 out of 10.
And it smells heavenly. Compliments to the chef for sure.
Totally agree. The texture, the flavor, perfect balance.
Smiling to waiter. Please tell the chef this was absolutely delicious.
Thank you so much. I'll let him know.
You know, a little kindness like that really makes someone's day.
Absolutely. A simple compliment goes a long way in restaurants and in life.
Well said, Mariam. Maybe that should be our podcast motto.
Be kind, eat dessert, and keep learning English.
Well, John, I think that was one of the best meals we've had in a while.
Definitely. Great food, great company, and the perfect conversation.
Smiles back. Couldn't agree more. Shall we ask for the bill?
Sure thing. Wave slightly. Excuse me, could we get the check, please? Of course, sir. I'll bring it right over.
I always like how Americans say check, but in the UK, we say bill.
Right, and in both cases, it usually makes your wallet cry. Laughs.
Laughs. So true. But today, I'm happy to pay. You helped me record this episode.
What? No way, Mariam. This one's on me. It's my treat.
Oh, that's sweet, but I insist.
Pretends to sigh. Fine, but only if you promise to let me buy coffee next time.
Deal. And I'll make sure it's a fancy one. Extra whipped cream and all.
Great. I'll start saving now.
Giggles. Okay, here's the bill. Let's see. Not bad at all.
Yep, totally worth it. Every bite was perfection.
And the service was excellent, friendly, and quick.
Nods. I always say a good restaurant isn't just about food, it's about how they make you feel.
So true, John. And I think that's the same with learning English. It's about feeling confident and comfortable.
Beautifully said. Confidence is like dessert. It makes everything better.
Laughs. That's your best quote yet.
Thank you, thank you. Should we wrap this up?
Yes. To our lovely listeners, if you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the English Echo.
And don't forget to leave a comment. Tell us your favorite restaurant food in English.
Until next time, stay confident, keep smiling, and keep practicing English.
See you soon, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye. Soft laughter fades out with background cafe sounds.